Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pineapple, and today we are doing another Roblox video. So, this is a series, so you guys just don't get annoyed with me playing Tower of Hell all the time. So, well, yes. What else was I going to say? Alright, we are having merch coming in soon. It's about to come into the mail when I order it. So I haven't ordered it yet, but I've been making all of the merch. So yeah, it's gonna go up really well. I'm just kind of excited because it's merch. I'm gonna do a vlog. I am so not ready for a video today. So I will do a vlog and I will present all of my merch. So you guys will see the merch that if you want to buy it, you can buy it. So if no one buys it, I will give it out for free on Christmas. So you want to, so leave your address down below if you want that free merch. I won't like come into your house and kill you, I promise. I mean, I could do that, but I'm not going to because I'm nice. I'm not mean. What? I didn't. No. Okay. Okay. There's only 55 seconds left. We make it to the top really fast. What if I had like a super jump that I just jumped and it'll take me all the way to the top? Just be like cheats. This is harder. It's good. It's good. It's good. You can do this, guys. Comment down below. Rate my parkour skills. Be honest, please. Just respawn. No, respawn. Thank you. Okay, that's so scary. Because when you die right when it respawns, you're done for. Ooh, secret agent. What? I didn't die. Confusion. I didn't die. Just imagine if I was on the top and like it did that and I died before I could speed. Okay, this one's really easy. I did it. Okay. Oh, this one's easy. I didn't touch it. Why does it keep saying that I touched it? This game glitches a lot, so don't judge me on. Yeah. So. Oh, by the way, this is our last Tower of Hell video. So I walked off the edge. So our next series is going to be not Kill Confirmed. It's going to be Bad Business. So it's a really fun game. So the next video I'm going to be doing is going to be Bad Business. Don't judge me for saying that. Hey, you said it was a series. Why are you doing this game? So don't get mad at me. I just announced that. So. Okay, I made it again. That was really easy. Okay, this is kind of tricky. Yes. Yes. How did someone make it to the top already? And why did they speed? Okay, this part's easy. Except for this part. Yes. And this is where I die. Yep, I knew it. We are going to pro, because we are a pro. Hey. This music's, like, good. Dun, dun, dun. I'll sing it for you. Dun, 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 dun. What? Comment down below if you saw me touch it, because I swear I didn't touch it. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't even make it. Okay, if I die one more time, we are ending this video because I'm going to rage. I didn't die, so that was fine. Okay, guys, if you wanted to see how I do the shift lock, so go on to your this screen here, hit settings, and hit shift lock switch on. I had it off, and it was like hard to do because you have to hold down the right click button, and it's like your finger's gonna die. Trust me, mine did. I didn't touch it. I swear that time I did not touch it. Okay, I'm gonna do this, guys. Ba 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 now. Dun 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 dun. See what this person does. Okay, that's what I did. Okay, did it. Did it. Did it. Yeah! Why? Why is that person taking so long? Sorry for all the switching. It just I get like really agitated all the time. Oh, it's easy. Okay, made it. Made it. Made it. Wall hug. Oh, frick. This is where I feel. Oh, yay. Whoa, thank you. Oh my gosh, someone just added jump boost, and that makes it so easy. I didn't go forward far enough. This is going to make it so easy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make it. This game is starting to get on my nerves. Oh, that was very close. I thought I was about to die. I mean, not die, but like fall. What? Oh, that's not fair. Come on. Okay, that's what it is. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. Sorry it was really short, but hope you all will subscribe to this channel. Leave a like down below. Leave a like in this video and hit that little bell so you can get info every single day. And so that's the end of this video, guys. Goodbye.